you look here, see that right there? Those are tamper-proof Torx bits. And so you have to have a special Torx bit to get in there that has the hole in it. See the hole?
Really smaller.
And this is your mass airflow sensor. This mass airflow sensor controls the flow of air into your intake. Because right now you're spitting out codes for lean bank 1 and bank 2, along with number two cylinder misfire. So what we're gonna do, this is your air cleaner. Mass airflow goes into there.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is take these two screws out, these tamper-proof screws. Nice thing about Forge is they leave you a little tray to put your stuff in. So to replace this with a new one, if this doesn't work for some reason, it's about $100.
Okay.
But with $12 worth of tools, you can save yourself $125 because there's your mass airflow sensor. Okay. So.
Okay,
Thank you.
there you go.
Okay, so off and put the cap on, and I need a paper towel, Bubba.
I gotta get it.
Okay, we have a paper towel. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, where do I put the straw?
There's a straw. It goes right on the side. There's a piece of tape on the side.
Okay.
See the piece of tape on the side?
Yes.
Okay. So now, one thing you want to make sure you don't do is you make sure you don't want to touch. See how I'm holding it on the outsides? You don't want to touch any of this stuff in here because we don't want. Here, let me see that. Take the cap off. Okay, see how we got a little bit of oil residue right there? Pretty easy to do, isn't it?
It took longer than I thought it would. But who knows how long it took.
Alright, go turn it on. Start her up there, home chicken.
Now it runs much smoother and
Well, hey, thanks guys for hanging out with us today. As you can see, we're working on a 2001 Ford Explorer Sport Track. It's my cousin Trent's car. We ended up having, he had three codes that were on there. One was number 2 misfire. Then there was also the bank 1, bank 2 lean coming out. So what we ended up doing is doing a little bit of research. I'll leave links in the description of the video that I used on how to clean the mass airflow sensor. And what we used is we used the CRC's mass airflow sensor cleaner. Great stuff. Got it at O'Reilly's. I'll leave it in the link in the description. And also I picked up this Power Torx 38-piece set.
it works.
Works great. So anyways, if it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification down there as well. And with everything that I do, do, if I can do it, you can do it, right? If Canvas can, you can. What's worse, you got to take it to the shop, get it fixed. So at least try and fix it yourself before you try and take it to the shop. Thank y'all. Have a great day. All right, turn it off.